good morning, it's Anne and I'm standing before the train station in Prades. And well, it's over here, as you can see, a lovely building right across the Canigou. This train goes to Molich, all the way up there into the mountains, and of course over there to Perpignan. And the good news is it only costs you €1, so that's nice, isn't it? So you can take a bus, here are the buses, or you can buy a ticket over here and take a train to Perpignan or to Molich, only €1. As you can see, it's right across the practice of Ranger. My husband, I'm sure you've seen his videos to heal your back, to avoid back pain, even better. It's extremely hot today. We're only in February and feels like summer already. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you want to. Feel free. Goodbye.